Aircorps Aviation is hiring qualified restoration technicians. We are looking for a variety of talented craftsmen who are passionate about helping us fulfill our mission of returning World War II aircraft to the skies. If you have experience in a skilled trade or are an A&P/IA specialized in aircraft component, sheet metal, restoration, or mechanic work, we have a place for you. Our perfect candidate is a team player who likes to work with their hands, loves a new challenge every day, and pays attention to detail. In this role, you'll have the opportunity to work on a wide variety of tasks as you help bring these aircraft back to life. Within the warbird community, the Aircorps Restoration Team has gained a reputation for excellence. We are known for our dedication, passion, and the award-winning details that are evident in every project we complete. Since 2011, our restoration team has returned many award-winning aircraft to airworthy status, such as Twilight Tier, the Bush Stearman, Harvard Mark IV, Sierra Suit II, Lopes Hope III, and more. Working with us, you'll have the opportunity to get up close and personal with aircraft that other people only dream about. Visit Aircorps Aviation's career website for more information and a detailed description of this position's roles and responsibilities. We offer very competitive pay and benefits based on experience. Come join our growing team nestled in the heart of beautiful northern Minnesota so you can work where other people vacation.